Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome back to our EVS class. In today's class, we are going to study the young ones and sounds of animals. Are you all ready, children? Yes, let's start. Animals and young ones. Cat. The young one of cat is kitten. Hen. The young one of hen is chick. Duck. The young one of duck is duckling. Dog. What is the young one of dog is called? Yes, you're right. Puppy. Owl. The young one of owl is owlet. Cow. The young one of cow is calf. Bear. The young one of bear is cub. Deer. The young one of deer is fawn. Donkey. The young one of donkey is foal. Elephant. You all like this animal? The young one of elephant is calf. Fish. Young one of fish is fry. Pig. The young one of pig is piglet. Sheep. The young one of sheep is lamb. Rhinoceros. And the young one of rhinoceros is calf. Tiger. The young one of tiger is cub. Horse. The young one of horse is colt. Monkey. The young one of monkey is infant. Next, we have the king of the jungle, lion. The young one of lion is cub. Rabbit. The young one of rabbit is kit. Kangaroo. The young one of kangaroo is Joey. Frog. Frog. The young one of frog is tadpole. Now let us learn sounds of different animals. Bee. Buzz. Bee. Buzz. A bee makes a buzz sound. Cat. Meow. Cat. Meow. A cat makes a meow sound. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. A rooster makes a cock-a-doodle-doo sound. Cow. Moo. Cow. Moo. A cow makes a moo sound. Dog. Oof. Dog. Oof. A dog makes a oof sound. Duck. Quack. Duck. Quack. A duck makes a quack sound. Frog. Ribbit. Frog. Ribbit. A frog makes a ribbit sound. Horse. Neigh. Horse. Neigh. Horse makes a neigh sound. Lion. Roar. Lion. Roar. A lion makes a roar sound.